What's going on, guys? We're going to go through three stocks that I think are a strong buy for a long-term portfolio outlook. I'm starting in fintech. We got Upstart Holdings here. I love the way this is holding up right around 84 bucks. I think this would be a great position trade. Adding and layering in your buys down to about $80. We're going to set a firm stop below the low of 74 bucks. And then we're going to hope for the best, and hopefully this trades back up into the hundreds. I think this company is in a great cash position. I think that it's going to outperform the market over the next 5 years. I think this type of business is the business to be in during times of inflation and added costs to services businesses across the world. This one's a smart buy. The next ticker is PLTR, Palantir Technologies, trading down to about 12 bucks, nearing their pre and post IPO price. This one's very interesting. They have a very strong cash balance. $1.23 cash per share. Their quick ratio is low. It's trading at a forward PE of about 50, which is a bit high for my taste. However, their expected EPS this year, 58%, and over the next 5 years, expected growth in the about 40%. Sales quarter over quarter have grown by 35%. Institutional ownership is there. They have government interest, government contracts. Many of the big boys have initiated price targets, recently reiterated by Piper Sandler, pushing a price target of 15 bucks, which I personally think is a bit low. Morgan Stanley coming in at 16 bucks. I think realistically we could see a retest of the $20 range on this one. And I think it's a strong buy down here at 10 or 11. I'm going to keep it on close watch and continue to add shares down here and hope that we can trade back up into the 20s and above. If we break above these critical points right here at 21 and 22, I think we can easily retest the $30 range. Keep this one on your list. And last but not least, stock number 3, Shopify. This one has absolutely blown the market out of the water, trading back in March at around $317 a share, all the way up to $1,700 a share. This thing has exploded. Here we can see some long-term ascending support holding us here at about $500 a share, trading on this resistance right here that I've identified. I think is going to be the top of this new channel that's being created. Remember, this one is a candidate for a forward split. They just announced it, meaning that they are going to break their shares down 1 to 10. So if you own one share at 600 bucks, you will own 10 at 61. Keep a close eye on this. I think as it opens up to retail investors, they've cornered the market in terms of online shopping. Entrepreneurship is through the roof. People are starting their own businesses and they're utilizing their platform to do that. I think this is going to be a high growth company in a high growth industry. Keep this on your watch list. I think it's a great add around 500 bucks or post split around 50. And I think we're going to definitely reclaim that $1,000 range, meaning the $100 range after the split. Keep this one on your list. I think it's a great buy.